Adsorption isotherms. The meaning of the word isotherm is constant temperature. What is an adsorption isotherm? The variation in the amount of gas adsorbed by the adsorbent with pressure at constant temperature can be expressed by means of a curve, and it is known as adsorption isotherm. Here we have an adsorption isotherm, and this isotherm is obtained by plotting pressure values along the x-axis and x by m, that is the extent of adsorption, along the y-axis. When you observe this, you will come to know when pressure P is equal to 0, x by m is also equal to 0. That means the extent of adsorption is equal to 0 at 0 pressure. As the pressure increases, x by m values are increasing and it is reaching a maximum value at a particular pressure, and that pressure is called saturation pressure. If you increase the pressure again, from the graph you will come to know the x by m is becoming a constant, because after saturation pressure the curve is becoming a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis, or x by m is equal to a constant. Here we have another graphical representation. In this particular graph, we can observe three different lines at three different temperatures. From the graph, it is observed that as the temperature increases, the x by m values are decreasing. The extent of adsorption is maximum at 195 Kelvin and it is minimum at 273 Kelvin. Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Adsorption isotherms can even expressed by using empirical relationship, and one of the best example for this is Freundlich adsorption isotherm. This is given by x by m is equal to k into p to the power 1 by n, where n is always greater than 1. X by m is the amount of gas adsorbed by the adsorbent, p is the pressure, k and n are the constants. The empirical relationship for Freundlich adsorption isotherm is given by x by m is equal to k into p to the power 1 by n. Taking logarithms on both the sides, we get log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n into log p. The above equation is similar to the equation for straight line y equal to mx plus c, where y is equal to log x by m, the slope m is equal to 1 by n, and y-intercept is equal to log k. The validity of Freundlich adsorption isotherm can be verified by plotting log x by m on y-axis and log p on x-axis. When you plot the graph, if you are getting a straight line, then we can say the isotherm is valid. From Freundlich adsorption isotherm, we came to know x by m, that is the extent of adsorption, is equal to k into p to the power 1 by n. The factor n in this isotherm can have values between 0 and 1. When 1 by n is equal to 0, x by m is equal to k, or it is a constant. The meaning is the extent of adsorption is a constant when the factor 1 by n is equal to 0. When 1 by n is equal to 1, x by m is equal to k into p, or x by m is directly proportional to its pressure. The meaning is the extent of adsorption is directly proportional to its pressure when the factor 1 by n is equal to 1. Now, if solutions are involved in adsorption process, the Freundlich adsorption isotherm can be modified as x by m is equal to k into c to the power 1 by n, where c is the concentration of the adsorbate. By taking logarithms on both the sides, you will get log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n into log c. Now here I had given few questions as homework. Write all the applications of adsorption. Define the terms adsorption and desorption. Write all the differences between adsorption and absorption. Write in 3 differences between physisorption and chemisorption. What are adsorption isotherms? Write an expression for Freundlich adsorption isotherm.